Welcome to Slim Thick Curls, Beauty and Lifestyle. Hey sunshines, welcome back to Slim Thick Curls. Today I'm cleaning one of my family members' houses. I cleaned their house a couple months ago before they moved in, so if you haven't seen that video yet, I'll be sure to link it above and in the description box below for you. Now, they're still in the process of decorating and buying new furniture pieces due to they haven't been in their home that long, but I love how their home is coming together. So now I'm back again today because they had to have an operation, so I said I would come clean their home for them so they wouldn't have to worry about their home while they recover. Thankfully, they do not have a messy house, so the cleaning process wasn't too bad. However, they had glitter throughout the house. They wanted to make sure that they had their Christmas tree and other Christmas decorations together before they had their operation. They are really crafty and made some of the items for their decorations, which involved glitter and pieces of decorations shedding here and there throughout their house. Normally, this wouldn't be a big deal, but their vacuum went to vacuum heaven. So they weren't able to vacuum everything up out of their carpet and off of their floors. Thankfully, right before I came to clean their house, they brought a brand new vacuum cleaner, which you'll see me unbox later on in the video. I woke up extra early, like 3 o'clock in the morning this day. Not on purpose by any means, but I did have to get up extra early to make it to their house in enough time to get them to the hospital on time. But not 3 o'clock in the morning early. But I couldn't sleep. So in some of the clips, you might see me looking tired, and that's why. I wanted to have everything finished before I had to pick them up from the hospital, but I ended up having to wrap my hair up and take a nap and then jump back into cleaning because your girl was tired. I won't do a lot of talking throughout this video, so let me know down in the comments, do you prefer to watch cleaning videos with a lot of voiceovers or just mostly music playing?
Butterflies excited just to call you mine. A love that will take me high, so I will wait for you. So until then, just wait. I'll just wait. I know when he comes, he'll be the one. I'm proud to say that's my baby. So until then, I feel the rain coming down right now. Finally feel alive and I don't know how. If I'm honest, I don't care to figure it out. Cause I'm on one every time I feel that power. And yeah, so what? I made some bad mistakes, but I've been the same ever since you called my name. And I feel the change all the way down in my soul. Now when I feel weak, you say I'm okay. You saw me trust in diamonds. What we got is priceless, priceless. What we got is priceless. I done had it all, but ain't nothing else like this, like this. Ain't nothing else like this. All my money made me wanna give it to you. Raise my hands, boy, you got that hallelujah. Search until you find, yeah, say it's in the timing, timing. I just call it righteous, righteous. I just call it righteous, righteous.
Yeah.
I just call it righteous, righteous.
I was alone, stuck in my ways. You came along just like a saint. I was on lockdown. But the whole time you had the keys. I don't know what it is you're doing to me. I was lost before, but baby, now I see. Cause there you are looking at me, Looking at me and I'm looking at you. Looking at us and I'm thinking that we got something good, and I know that there's nothing that's coming between us, no nothing at all. And they can call it love and whatever they want, but I call it right, I call it right.
You saw me trusting diamonds, what we got is priceless, priceless. What we got is priceless. I done had it all, but ain't nothing else like this, like this. Ain't nothing else like this. All my money made me wanna give it to you. Raise my hands, boy, you got that hallelujah. Search until you find it. I say it's in the timing, timing. I just call it righteous, righteous. 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 What you say? I know what you want is written on your face, but you've been acting casual, just plain and safe. Talking at your own discretion. I'll give you my affection if you cut to the confession. I know what you're thinking. Don't complicate it. Come speak my language. Just tell me what's on your mind and say it low, say it slow. I don't wanna hear you speak it. I wanna hear you breathe it. What you want, let me know. Cause baby, I can see it. Just tell me like you mean it. Say it low, say it low, say it low, say it. I don't wanna hear you speak it. I wanna hear you breathe it. Say it low. What you say? Talking about the weather cause you're nervous, babe. But we live in Cali where it never rains. But we can fog the windows, tipping back the CeeLo. Baby, if you let go, I know what you're thinking. Don't complicate it. Come speak my language. Just tell me what's on your mind and say it low, say it slow. I don't wanna hear you speak it. I wanna hear you breathe it. What you want, let me know. Cause baby, I can see it. Just tell me like you mean it. Say it low, say it low, say it low, say it. I don't wanna hear you speak it. I wanna hear you breathe it. Say it low. It could be so simple. It could be so good. I don't need more signals. Baby, cut to the point. Say it low, say it slow. I don't wanna hear you speak it. I wanna hear you breathe it. What you want, let me know. Cause baby, I can see it. Just tell me like you mean it. Say it low, say it low, say it low, say it. I don't wanna hear you speak it. I wanna hear you breathe it. Say it low. It could be so simple. It could be so good. I don't need more signals. Baby, cut to the point. I fall asleep at night, holding my pillow like it's your body next to mine. I say it's fine, but that's a bad excuse. I dream of kissing you. I write it off as sermons. Don't wanna face the truth that I keep making every bad excuse. This ain't even love yet. I can't help but love it. Oh my, I tell myself to stop, but I can't stop it. Oh no, I can't control myself the way I want it. No, it can't be good, 'cause it feels too good. I know what's wrong, but baby, I'm obsessed with you. Oh my, I tell myself to quit, but I can't quit it. I'm way too into how I'm getting too addicted. No, it can't be good, 'cause it feels too good. I know what's wrong, but baby, I'm obsessed with you. My favorite song comes on, I hear you singing badly. No, you're not really there, so then I roll my windows down and cruise. I'm smelling your cologne, it kinda hasn't hit me. I'm actually alone. Say you're the one, my friends say I'm confused. This ain't even love yet. I can't help but love it. Oh my, I tell myself to stop, but I can't stop it. Oh no, I can't control myself the way I want it. No, it can't be good, 'cause it feels too good. I know what's wrong, but baby, I'm obsessed with you. Oh my, I tell myself to sit, but I can't quit it. I'm way too into how I'm getting too addicted. No, it can't be good, 'cause it feels too good. I know what's wrong, but baby, I'm obsessed with you. Yeah, I'm obsessed with you. Yeah, I'm obsessed with you. Oh my, I tell myself to stop, but I can't stop it. Oh no, I can't control myself the way I want it. No, it can't be good, 'cause it feels so good. I know it's wrong, but baby, I'm obsessed with you. Oh my, I tell myself to quit, but I can't quit it. I'm way too into how I'm getting too addicted. No, it can't be good, 'cause it feels too good. I know it's wrong, but baby, I'm obsessed with you. I was kissing you with my eyes open, but you said keep them closed and be in the moment. So I did my best to make you feel wanted. But what about what I want? What about what I want? And what I wanted was to crash with my dumb friends on the weekend instead of watching a movie. But you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew it. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. 'Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. Might have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 I would tell you everything I believed in, but you said shut it off, you're too old for dreaming. So I did my best to feel what you're feeling. But what about what I want? What about what I want? 'Cause what I wanted was to laugh at the way you laugh at the way I laugh, but instead you were moody, and you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew it. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. 'Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. Might have to wait a little, if I should change my mind. But when I think back to you, I feel the same every time. 'Cause I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. 'Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. But I have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 and that's okay with me. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 and that's okay with me. Baby, don't get me wrong, I love you with all my heart, and I just can't stand the moments that we are apart. The distance between us is making me anxious. I just wanna know that you are true, and baby, I trust you. I'm just so scared of all the things that you could do to break my heart. 'Cause I gotta say for someone good, and you're telling me I shouldn't worry, 'cause that someone is you. And all of the promises you made, boy, I know you'll keep. 'Cause no matter what we go through, you tell me that your love runs deep. Yeah, yeah. All of the other girls look at us when you hold me close, but you always say that I'm the one you want the most. So baby, pull me closer, put your arm around my shoulder, so they know not to waste their time. 'Cause I've seen love fade and I've seen tears fall, I just don't want them to be mine. So don't break my heart, 'cause I gotta say for someone good, and you're telling me I shouldn't worry, 'cause that someone is you. And all of the promises you made, boy, I know you'll keep. 'Cause no matter what we go,
Remember to stay true and be you. Until next time, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Slim Thick Curls. Toodles.